omwerio rituko riarero mega ya serikali nebyombe biri byabakori emirimo abo gwikirana okoigwana
asege ikarekyo yakorekana asomocho Nairobi amagacho ajogo nigo baikirana okoigwana gwa CBA umwaka bw'ekiri bubere na 15 nebere goika umwaka bw'ekiri bubere na 20 noyomo asiba guchakonyora chibilion isano na ibere nukta kianda uno mulikito Linet Nyambane agotomanya
Magega yege ikarekyo koira chinsa gwetania isano nigo keibora amatunda ase ebyombe byabakori emirimo ase chi university baikirana okoigwana kugukora Omogiro.
Today the University Academic Staff Union has received a commitment by the Ministry of Education, the National Treasury and the councils of universities, undertaking that 7.9 billion shall be released to staff.
And on all my colleagues, vice chancellors who are members of the Joint Negotiations Committee, we are very happy that today this strike has come to an end. That was our special prayer to Parliament just yesterday, and today we have signed a return to work formula.
Omuwaziri w'ekisemi imeyense uyora okubekwa w'ekiseyi egatiye serikali amone byama byabakori emirimo nigo ayenekirie serikali n'ekigwikirania okoigwana okukwabekweseyi.
We've agreed that going forward we are going to have an interministerial CBA implementation team so that we can be looking at how these CBAs that we've signed, whether they are being implemented as agreed, so that if there is a challenge, it is dealt with before it becomes a crisis, so that we avoid this issue of strikes being part and parcel of our curriculum or our academic life.
His Excellency, the Deputy President of this country, was at the center of this particular success. He took us in together with our parent ministry, and he sat us down, and he was able to bring down what initially had been proposed to us, the 3-phase payment plan. And he committed and said the government can try and be able to pay within 2 phases of 50-50.
Nonye nabo nigo baguchia gukora amaunchoreria ase ekalenda yekisemi iri gwikirania obokoreri bwa matuko ayubabeire ase Omogiro.
And I want to apologize to the comrades for the 42 plus days that they have lost. However, our members have committed that they are going to recover the lost time fully.
Arenayo nigo boigo baru kogosererio gutindi onye serikali tegochia gwikirania okoigwana okwo.
It is upon the government that you honor what we have signed here today. And if you honor what we have signed today, I want to commit that there shall be no strike called by Uasu up to 2030. But if you don't honor this agreement, I'll call even a strike next week.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase omocho Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambane.